Hello everyone! If this is your first time using the digital planner and you've already purchased it but don't know how to use it, I'll guide you through how to use it and explain each feature in detail in the video. Follow along with my demonstration to get started. Once you've purchased and downloaded the product from your order, locate the compressed file on your iPad or other device. Press and hold the compressed file, select Uncompress, and you'll find our product. The folder contains Digiplan Pro 2025-2026 and an undated version of the digital planner. If you prefer the undated version, you can make a copy each year for reuse. The stickers folder contains bonus stickers and we'll keep updating it with more in the future. After uncompressing the file, open GoodNotes or your preferred app. Tap New, Import, and select the file you want to import. Now you're ready to use the digital planner in GoodNotes. Swipe right on the cover page or tap the bookmark icon in the top right corner to access the Tools page. On the right side of the page, find Shortcuts and tap to download the integration script. Tap Setup Shortcut and then choose. Select the app you usually use. Here I'll choose GoodNotes. After selecting it, tap Add Shortcut. Once setup is complete, return to GoodNotes. Now you can tap Apple Reminders or Apple Calendar to set reminders or add schedules directly in the digital planner. On the left side, the digital planner includes several pre-designed templates and blank templates in various styles. These templates help you manage your personal and work tasks as comprehensively as possible. On the right side, some blank sections are provided to allow more creative freedom. You can use these areas to jot down additional life-related notes. For example, you can write a title here, then tap the plus icon to open a blank page. Here, you can write freely as if you were using real paper. If you fill up the page and need more space, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Copy Page, then tap the plus icon to paste the duplicate after this page. This way, you can easily add more pages. The same method can also be used to copy other preset templates from the Tools page. Just select a template, copy the page, and paste it wherever you need it. On every page, the digital planner includes buttons for quickly navigating to any month. This makes it easy to locate dates during review or planning. Tap 2025 at the top to display all dates for the year. You can then click a date to jump directly to that day's page. Additionally, the digital planner offers two weekly formats on the left side of the monthly view, catering to different preferences. Tap Week 1 to access the week format starting on Sunday. Tap Week 2 to access the week format starting on Monday. Whether in the yearly, monthly, or weekly view, you can click on a date to navigate to its daily page. On the yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily pages, you'll find a progress bar at the top. Since the digital planner simulates real paper records, it won't autofill for you, but you can manually fill it in by shading. Similarly, on the daily page, you can track your water intake, meals, and mood by shading specific areas. GoodNotes works seamlessly with our stickers. After uncompressing the file, tap Stickers and enable split screen. At the bottom, tap the plus icon, name it whatever you like, tap Import From, and select the stickers folder. Add them one by one. Once all stickers are added, tap a sticker to place it into the digital planner. Okay, that's the introduction to using the digital planner. If you have any questions or suggestions during use, feel free to contact me in the comments section or visit our website, DigiPlanPro.com. The website link will be included in the video description. Thank you so much for choosing my digital planner.